Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install AntiGravity on your MacBook. If this video helps you out, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. First, open any web browser on your Mac and type AntiGravity download into the search bar. Open the first link that appears and choose the correct version for your Mac's processor. Since I'm using Apple Silicon, I'll select that option. Now, go ahead and download the file. Save it to your device and wait patiently until the entire file finishes downloading. Once the download is complete, simply double-click on the installer file, drag the AntiGravity icon and drop it directly into your applications folder. And just like that, AntiGravity is installed on your MacBook. To open the app, head over to your Launchpad, search for AntiGravity and click to launch it. If you are opening it for the first time, a security prompt may pop up warning you that it was downloaded from the internet. Simply click open. AntiGravity will launch right away on your MacBook. Now you can just log into your account and start using it. And that is the complete tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.